What's up, world? It is I, Mr. Y, the piano guy. I'm here to bring you a little knowledge about playing the piano, whether you are a beginner or an advanced player. This particular just ask Mr. Y, the piano guy. You can play like me, well at least you can try. So practice every day and every night. Ask Mr. Y, the piano guy. Ask Mr. Y, the piano guy. We're talking about rest. If you remember, we started on Reading Rhythms Part 2, and we introduced rest. And so you see I'm adding several more rests into the picture. If you looked at the video, I only had a quarter rest, and I think I had a half rest as well. But on this one, you see another rest added. So tell me this, class, what type of rest is this? Say it out loud.
Quarter rest.
Say it again.
Quarter rest.
Very good. Class, what type of rest is this?
Half rest.
Say it again.
Half rest.
Very good. Class, what type of rest is this?
Dotted half rest.
Say it again.
Dotted half rest.
Very good. I'm gonna put an arrow on this little line right here. You see these little lines everywhere. What is this line called?
A bar line.
Say it again.
A bar line.
Very good. And remember that the bar line separates music into different bars, all right? What's another word for bar? Say it.
Measure.
What's another word for bar?
Measure.
Very good, y'all remember. What's another word for beat?
Rhythm.
If I say this gets...
Count.
There you go. Somebody... This is bar 1.
Bar 2. Bar 3. Bar 4.
If I went to this song down here, what bar is this?
2.
What bar is this?
4.
Very good. Now, these two lines right here, what is this called, class? Everybody say double bar line.
Double bar line.
Say it again.
Double bar line.
Remember that the double bar line tells you at the end of a song or at the end of a section of music. All right? Now, some of y'all already said it. This symbol right here, what is it called?
A repeat sign.
Let's say it again. Repeat sign. All right? And that means you just repeat the whole song over again. All right? We're going to try to clap. Actually, what do I like to do before we clap the rhythm? What's the best way to figure this out if you're a beginning musician? Yes. Everybody say, write the count.
Write the count.
Say it again.
Write the count.
Remember that writing the count will help you totally understand exactly where you clap. It'll show you where the notes fall in terms of places and time. Okay? So, remember, this time signature, the top number tells you how many beats per bar. Everybody say beats per bar.
Beats per bar.
All right, so in this song, how many beats per bar are there?
4.
Say it again.
4.
Good. Now, what type of note is this first note? Say it again. Quarter. Remember, the black one, the one that's filled in, is a quarter note. How many counts does it get? 1. So we write one number underneath. What number do we write? 1. All right, this is a quarter rest. That means it gets the same amount of counts if you saw the other video. Quarter rest, quarter notes get the same counts. The only difference is the notes you actually clap or sing or play a note, whereas a rest is a moment of
Silence.
All right, so we're just going to follow our normal counts. It gets one number. What number do I write underneath? 2. Very good. What do I write under this quarter note? 3. Very good. What do I write under this quarter rest?
4.
4. Very good. What do I write under this quarter note? 1. Interesting. What do I write under this dotted half rest?
2.
What? 2, 3, 4. Okay, somebody said it. 2, 3, 4. The reason why, remember, it gets 3 counts. So you should write the next 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. In this case, it's 2, 3, 4. All right, very good. Now, this is the half note. What would I write underneath?
2.
Note. If you write 2 numbers, what are the 2 numbers? 1, 2. What do I write in this quarter note?
3.
3. Nah, this quarter note only gets 3. The next quarter note gets what?
4.
4. Very good. Now we're going to start over because of the bar line. What do I write under this quarter rest? 1. What do I write under this quarter note?
2.
Quarter rest?
3.
Quarter note?
4.
Very good. All right. Let's see if we can clap this. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop for a second. Some people clapped on this. Remember, on rest, that is a moment of silence. We're going to show that by opening our hands. So on this first beat, so the one will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this first measure by yourself. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Nobody clapped on the wrist. We can move on. All right? Let's go to this measure by ourselves. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Somebody clapped on 2. What are you supposed to be doing on 2?
Moment of silence.
Yeah, it's some rest. It's a moment of silence. So let's do this measure by ourselves again. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y'all getting this, man? All right, let's do this measure. Third measure. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, don't clap on 2. Remember, hold it when it's a longer note. Half notes, dotted half notes, and whole notes. You're going to hold, okay? Because you're showing that it's long. How many beats does a half note get? 2. So you're going to hold it 2 beats. 1, 2, then 3, 4. Let's do it together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Let's try it. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Somebody clapped on this rest. I know it's hard not to clap.
Because it's beginning.
It's the first thing. It's the beginning. Very good. But you got to discipline yourself. When you see a rest, what are you going to do? Be
silent.
All right. Let's try it again. Ready? Go. 1. Y'all weren't clapping. Y'all weren't counting, though. Always count for right now. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. Do the whole song. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Not bad. Somebody clapped around here, but it wasn't the whole class, so I'm going to let it slide this time. Somebody. Who was the one to clap? Thank you for being honest, my brother. Keep it real. But you know what you messed up at, right? And you know what you need to do to correct it, right? All right, let go. Let's slow it down. 1. Let's groove for a minute. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I ain't say clap. We just groove. Y'all gotta learn how to groove, man. Do 2 steps. Here we go. 1, 2. Ready? Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it without me pointing to it.
Ready, set, go.
I didn't say go. Hold on. But I like that. I like you taking initiative, though. I'm going to see if they can clap it without me. Y'all think y'all can clap it without me?
Yes.
I don't think they can do it. They might prove me wrong, though. We'll see. All right, here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, ready,